Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by turning Narrator on. Press Windows plus I or Open settings from start. Once done, go to Accessibility and choose Narrator. Make sure to toggle Narrator on so it begins speaking immediately. Next, select a voice and adjust speed and pitch. This changes how clear and natural the speech sounds. You'll also set verbosity to control how much information Narrator reads. These first choices shape the whole experience, so test a short phrase now to confirm the voice and reading level match your needs. Now you'll fine-tune how Narrator reads content. Select whether you want continuous reading, only selected text, or just focused controls. Once selected, make sure to assign or review keyboard shortcuts, start/stop, read next, and previous, because they speed navigation. You should also adjust punctuation level so Narrator reads symbols and numbers in the style you need. For complex windows, change the read order and prioritize headings or controls. This prevents out-of-sequence speech and ensures you hear the important parts first. To finish, practice common commands. Narrator plus tab moves between elements, arrow keys read line by line, and caps lock with letters run shortcuts. This builds speed. Once you're comfortable, save a profile so your voice, speed, and verbosity persist. Make sure to test with a few real windows and documents to confirm behavior. If Narrator misreads or stops, restart Narrator or toggle accessibility off and back on. This usually fixes glitches. If not, reboot Windows and reapply your saved profile to restore correct behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.